Article 7, Mutual Relinquishment of Claims for Indemnity. Article 7, the United States and Spain mutually relinquish all the claims for indemnity, national and individual, of every kind, of either government or citizens or subjects, against the other government that may have arisen since the beginning of the late insurrection in Cuba, and prior to the exchange of ratification of the present treaty, including all claims for indemnity for the cause of war. The United States will adjudicate and settle the claims of its citizens against Spain relinquishments in this article. Article 8. Cession of public property and rights in ceded territories. In conformity with the provision of Article 1, 2, and 3 of this treaty, Spain relinquished in Cuba and cedes in Puerto Rico and other islands in the West Indies. In the island of Guam and the Philippines archipelago, all the buildings were barracks, ports, structures, public highways, and other immovable property which in conformity with law belong to the public domain and such as belong to the Crown of Spain. And it hereby declared that relinquishment or acquisition, as the case of may be, to which preceding paragraph refers, cannot in any respect infer to the property or rights, which by law belong to the peaceful possession of property of all kinds, provinces, municipalities, and public or private establishment, ecclesiastical or civil bodies, or any other association having legal capacity to acquire and possesses the property in aforesaid territories renounced or ceded or of private individuals of whatsoever nationality such individuals may be. The aforesaid relinquishment or accession, as the case may be, includes all documents explicitly referring to the sovereignty, relinquishment of ceded that may exist in the archives of Peninsula, where any document is archives only. In part of relates to said sovereignty, a copy of such a part will be furnished whenever it shall be requested. Like rules shall be professionally observed in favor of Spain in respect of documents in the archives of the island above referred to. Article 9. Rights of Spanish subjects in ceded territories. Spanish subjects natives of the peninsula residing in the territory over which Spain by the present treaty relinquishes or cedes her sovereignty may remain in the such territory or may remove, therefore retaining in other event all their rights of property, including the rights to sell, dispose of such property or its proceeds, and they shall also have the right to carry on their industry, commerce, and profession, being subject in respect therefore to such law as are applicable to other foreigners. In case they remain in the territory, they may preserve their allegiance to the Crown of Spain by making before the court record within a year from the date of the exchange of ratification of this treaty a declaration to their decision to preserve such allegiance in the difficult, which declaration they should be held, have renounced to have adopted the nationality of the territory. In Article 10, Assurance of Religious Freedom for Inhabitants. The inhabitants of the territories over which Spain relinquishes or cedes her sovereignty should be secured in the free exercise to their religion.